Next is matrix match type question. So let us discuss question number 56. It says that in column 1 functions are given and in column 2 type of function is given, so we have to match them. So option number A says that let f goes from r minus 0 to minus 1 comma 1 such that fx is equal to signum x whole power signum x to the power n, where n is an odd integer, then fx is. So x cannot take value 0. So if x is greater than 0, then value of signum x is 1. So fx will be equal to 1 raised to the power 1. So that is 1. And for x less than 0, fx will be equal to, as signum of x will be minus 1. So it is minus 1 raised to the power minus 1. That is minus 1 raised to the power n. As n is odd, so it will be minus 1. So the graph of the function is something like this. For x greater than 0, value is 1, and for x less than 0, value is minus 1. So this is definitely a odd function. So option number P is correct. So from periodic and bijective, it is none. So only option P is correct. Now option number B, it says that we are given a function fx equal to x divided by ex minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1. So we have to talk about whether it is even or odd. So for that, let's find f of minus x, that is equal to minus x divided by e raised to the power minus x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. So let us write minus x plus x by 2 plus 1. So this will be equal to, taking minus x common, we are left with e raised to the power x divided by 1 minus e raised to the power x plus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1. So that is equal to minus x, and in the denominator we have 1 minus e raised to the power x. So here we will get in the numerator 1 plus x by 2 plus 1. So which is definitely equal to fx, which means that fx is equal to f of minus x, that is, it is an even function. So option number Q is correct. Now as function is even, so we can definitely say that it is definitely not bijective and it is not periodic. Now let's talk about option number C. It says that if f goes from r to 0, 1 such that fx is equal to 0 if x is rational and it is 1 if x is irrational, then fx is. As here f of minus x will definitely be equal to fx, so this function will be even function. Also the function will be periodic also, but its period will not be defined. So correct answer will be Q and S. Now next is option number D. It says that fx is equal to maximum of tan x comma cot x. So we have to talk about fx. Now for this question, let us draw the graph of tan x and cot x. This is pi by 2. This is pi, 3 pi by 2. So the function will be like this. Similarly, let's draw the graph of cot x. It will be like this. This is the graph of cot x. So we are talking about maximum of tan x comma cot x. So the graph that is required is this one. Graph is very easy to plot. Now we can answer very easily that whether function is odd or even. So the function is neither even nor odd, so option R is correct. Also the function is periodic as can be seen by graph, so answer is R and S, as it will not be a bijective function. Next is question number 57, which says that PQ is a double ordinate of the parabola y square equal to 4x. If the normal at P meets the line passing through Q and parallel to x is at G, then the locus of G is a conic, and we have to talk about that conic. So it has been given over here that this is a parabola y square equal to 4x, and we are given double ordinate that is PQ. So a normal is drawn at point P and it meets the line passing through Q and parallel to X is at G. So for G, now here it can be seen that the y coordinate of G is same as y coordinate of Q. So let us firstly write the equation of normal at AT square comma 2AT, as A is 1 here, so we will write at T square comma 2T. So equation is y equal to minus Tx plus 2AT plus AT cube. So this is the equation of normal. Now to find point G, let us put y equal to minus 2t. So we will get minus 2t equal to minus tx plus 2t plus t cube. That is t cube plus 4t is equal to tx. So x is equal to this divided by t. So x is equal to t square plus 4. So this is the x coordinate of point G. So we can say that the locus will be x equal to t can be written as y upon minus 2. So this is y square upon 4 plus 4, which means that y square is equal to x minus 4 multiplied with 4. So this is the locus of G. Now, in option number A, it is talking about length of the latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is directly 4. So, 4 is divisible by 2 and 4. So, answer is P comma Q. Option number B says that abscissa of the vertex. Vertex is 4 comma 0. So, abscissa is 4. Again, it is divisible by P comma Q. Now, option number C, abscissa of the focus. What is focus here? X minus 4 equal to 1. So x equal to 5. Now 5 is a factor of R and T. Now option number D says that the directrix of the conic is x equal to A. So directrix is x minus 4 equal to minus A. So x equal to 3 is the directrix. So 3 is a factor of S and T. So these are the correct answers.